Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
The Samsung A22 5G comes packed with features tailored for efficiency and connectivity. Highlights include a vibrant 6.6-inch FHD Plus display, offering crisp and clear visuals, a 48-megapixels triple camera setup for capturing high-quality photos, and a 5,000 mAh battery ensuring long-lasting performance throughout the day. It's also equipped with a Dimensity 700 processor, ensuring smooth operation and 5G connectivity. Users will appreciate the expandable storage option, 15W fast charging capability, and the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack, catering to both modern demands and convenience.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.